Hello LG, I'm Shubhajit and this is my 32-inch smart TV. So I'm facing a problem with this right now. Let me demonstrate it to you. So let's switch off the TV and let me unplug the system. Okay, so now next time when I plug it in and switch on the TV, so just a minute, yeah. So it's right now switching on. So what happens is, now if I want to go to YouTube and see some videos, my TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi connection. So now I want to go to YouTube and see some videos. So let's open the YouTube. It will show me the system date and time is not correct. So let's see. So the system date and time presently what it shows is 2016 1st January 5:30 AM or something near to that. So every time when I switch on, and this is the problem I get. So can you please zoom on this one, the date and time and the error? Yeah, fine. Okay, so every time I am switching on the TV, this is the error I am getting, and then when I close this app and go to my system settings to check whether my present system date and time is correct or not, so it will show me the correct date and time. So today is 4th of June, so it will show 4th June 2017. That means if I go to general and then date and time, so here it is showing Sunday 4th June 2017 and the time also correct. Can you please zoom on this? Yeah. So so in this way, every time I am switching on and I am trying to open the YouTube, so this problem is coming, and then after coming to the system settings, if I go to YouTube next time, so this time YouTube will directly open and it will not show any problem. So this is what I am facing every time I am switching on my TV, and this problem is there since I have purchased the TV. Okay, so I have lodged a complaint on March 20, 2017. Since then till now, your service persons, your technicians have visited my place more than 4 times, and they have tried different methods, and none of them are getting solved. Means none of them are making the problem solved. Okay, so what is happening is I am calling them back and they are not responding after that. Okay, again after that, again I will call your support center and they are lifting, they are sending it some other person, and same thing going on and on and on. Whenever a person comes here, he is checking this and he is not able to solve and he is not making it further. Okay, so I have spoken with even the area manager of this place also. So the place is Bangalore, Marathalli, and I have tried all the possible ways and I have not left with any other choice than making this video. This video is just to make your attention, just to get your attention on this one. So if there is a problem, it should be solved, right? So that's the purpose. So I hope I'll get a proper support right now from LG India, and thank you.